Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my May BoxyCharm, my May Premium BoxyCharm box. This box just arrived, so this is coming straight from my front porch to you here on this video. So I haven't even taken a sneak peek inside to see what's inside of this box. So let's get into it. All right. Let's see what we've got here. All right, we've got a theme card. Our theme card is Super Bloom. Love that pretty color of purple, so cute. And let's see, let me put on my glasses here. I want to see all this goodness that is inside this box. Let's see, what's the first item? Our first item is going to be from Elemis. You guys know I absolutely adore and love Elemis. Really like the products that come from Elemis. And this is their Superfood Midnight Facial. So this is what the actual product package looks like. This is the outer package here. And this is a little different, I think. Maybe Elemis has switched up their packaging because I'm used to the color of their packaging is normally different. I've never seen this vibrant pink type of packaging for them, but I do like it. Cream here inside. This is a midnight facial. Let me see what this feels like. Has a very light fragrance, almost like a light, fresh, floral type of fragrance to it. And it feels really nourishing. This is I've just kind of put it here on my hand. You can see it right in there. And the info card states, a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky soft, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon waking. Infused with superfoods camu camu, not sure what camu camu is, but this has camu camu, banana flower, and cacao. This vitamin and mineral rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue. And the retail cost is $50. I wonder when or what's the recommended usage for this. Let's see. Okay, the directions on the box says to apply to cleansed dry skin every night or a minimum of twice weekly as a spoiling skin treat. I'm gonna try this out. I like Elemis. You guys know that I use the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner on my face on the daily. So this is gonna be nice. So really glad to have this. And again, the retail cost is $50. This next item is from Cover FX, and this is the Gripping Primer. And this is what the outer box looks like. And this is the actual product container. We do have a safety seal there, if you can see that. And the info card states, an alcohol-free clear gel primer that visibly firms, creates a glass-like finish, and grips makeup for all-day wear. The unique formula creates an instant skin tightening effect for a smoother looking complexion and improved makeup wear. Vegan and cruelty-free. And the retail cost is $38. So I really like Cover FX. It's another good brand in my opinion. Sephora used to carry a large line of Cover FX makeup products, but for some reason I don't see that in the Sephora stores anymore. I think mostly you can pick up Cover FX if you're purchasing online, and now it looks like we've got some of the Cover FX products here in BoxyCharm. But again, this is the Cover FX Gripping Primer, and the retail cost is $38. This next item is from Skin&Co, and this is the Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. We've gotten quite a few items in our BoxyCharm boxes from Skin&Co. I like them. They have good skincare. It's a little bit on the high end side of things. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, she fancy, huh? Look at this. This is really nice. I like the look of this. This would be really cute sitting on a vanity, right? So the info card states, get that lit from within glow with this multitasking Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. Formulated with a proprietary ultra-rich and antioxidant black winter truffle extract, brightening carrot oil, nourishing blend of olive, jojoba, sweet almond, and sunflower oils, and soothing calendula extract, this exclusive non-comedogenic formula absorbs quickly into the skin to deeply moisturize and optimize hydration, revealing a rejuvenated complexion. All right, that sounds really good. And the retail cost is $68. Yeah, this is a pretty high-end brand, Skin&Co. They have some pretty good products from the ones that I've used. And I got exposed to this brand through BoxyCharm. So I'm super glad to have this. And I will be giving this a try. This is from Skin&Co. This is the Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. And the retail cost is $68. This next item is from Beekman 1802. This is the Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. All right, I've never heard of this brand, so this will be a first for me. They got it packaged up nicely in this little pouch. Really nice. And I'm all here for eye creams. I'm all here for depuffing. So this is what it actually looks like. So it looks very nice. And the info card states, say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorb into the skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. You guys know I'm going to be all over this one, right? So I am super excited about this. I really, really love it when I get eye serums or eye creams in my BoxyCharm box. Let's see what this looks like. All right. There it is right there. You can see that. So I'm going to just kind of, oh, it feels cooling. It has a cooling sensation. And I think that's going to feel marvelous under my eyes or in my under eye area. What is the recommended usage for this? Okay, it says here on the bottle, here it has directions, and the directions say to apply a pea-sized amount under eyes, on eyelids, and around orbital bone every morning and every night to look and feel refreshed. All right, I like the idea of this. I really like a good eye serum. And again, this one is from Beekman 1802. It's the Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum, and the retail cost is $42. This next item is from KVD Beauty, and it's the EXO Vinyl Lip Cream Lip Gloss. And this one is in the shade Lolita. Why is this sounding familiar to me? I don't think I have this already. I don't know why this is sounding familiar. Let me see. Okay, this is what this looks like. I may have seen this shade in maybe another box or something, and I really like the shade of it, and I don't know. I'll have to go through and take a look at my lip glosses, my lipsticks, and see if I already have this one. But the color looks really, really nice. And the info card states, experience lust at first swipe. EXO Vinyl Lip Cream is an extreme opacity gloss that proves opposites attract, combining bold, full coverage pigment and a sexy vinyl shine finish. Get all the shine and color in each creamy, comfortable, and cushiony swipe. Perfect for anyone looking for their new glossy lip go-to. EXO Vinyl Lip Cream is not your average lip gloss. This highly pigmented formula lays down vinyl-like shine and bold colors thanks to our sensorial emollient-based vegan gel. And the retail cost is $20. So again, this is in the shade Lolita. Is that right? Lolita? Am I saying this right? Yes, this is Lolita. This is what the actual applicator looks like. And here is a swipe of the shade. Very, very pretty. I like that. So yeah, this is from KVD Beauty. This is the EXO Vinyl Lip Cream Lip Gloss in the shade Lolita, and the retail cost is $20. And the last item that I got in my premium box from BoxyCharm for the month of May is from Base Blue Cosmetic, and this is their dry and wet dual action facial cleansing wipes. So this is showing day and this is also showing night, so I take it that there's a different wipe for day and night. Very interesting. And the info card states, ready to go towelettes that whisk away face and eye makeup without irritation. The dry beauty wipes foam up once activated with water and gently remove any excess oil and slough away dead cells from the skin. Each individually wrapped wipe can be used as a pair for double cleansing to take off heavy makeup after an evening out. So this is really nice. I normally use my normal facial cleanser and then I use the towels from the Clean Skin Club to remove my makeup. I also sometime every now and again still use my Neutrogena wipes. I still like those. But this is something a little different. So maybe I will give these a try. And the retail cost for the Base Blue Cosmetics Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes is $21. So this was an okay box for me. When I say okay, I like the brands that are in the box. I like the products that are in the box, but it was more skincare than anything else. The only thing that I got that was not some form of skincare is the lip gloss from KBD. And I'm not so mad at that too much because I think every now and then it's okay for me to get a skincare box because I know that I'm always going to use skincare. So, you know, it's okay. I'm not mad at it. I am curious now to see what's going to come in my June box. I know, don't say anything. I know we just got May, but I'm just saying. I would be curious to see if my May box does include a little bit more makeup than it does skincare. So we'll see. But still, I'm very satisfied with this box. And also, I'm not one to go into BoxyCharm and take advantage of the options feature. So with BoxyCharm, you have an opportunity, there's a window, a time frame where you can go in and you can choose items that you would like to get in your box. Most of the time I bypass that. I like the element of surprise when it comes to receiving my BoxyCharm boxes. I just kind of want to go with it and see what I get. You know, I don't want to necessarily go in and start picking things out and things like that. I like the surprise of it all. So BoxyCharm is a good way to try out makeup and skincare from brands that you have heard of and maybe even some brands that you have not heard of. As you guys were able to see, there were some brands here that I had not heard of, but I'm curious about them now that I know about them. I want to try their products out. So if you think that you would be interested in receiving BoxyCharm, I'm going to leave a link below. Feel free to use that link to sign up for BoxyCharm, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there and you can start receiving your own box. So as usual, I have totaled up the cost of all 6 items that came in my May premium box from BoxyCharm, and the total cost is $239. You guys know I did not pay $239 for my premium box from BoxyCharm. I'm paying about $39.99 per month, so it's a really good deal. For that $39.99, I got $239 of products. It's an all-around good deal in my opinion. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.